So you just purchased the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, but you didn't get the creator combo. Instead, you elected to purchase accessories separately, but you don't know where to start. Don't worry, I've got the top 8 accessories you should consider buying from Amazon. First up, we've got the UGREEN USB-C to 3.5mm audio adapter. I think this product is pretty important and should have come standard with the Osmo Pocket 3. This little cable allows you to connect any 3.5mm headphones or speakers directly to your Osmo Pocket 3. It also features a durable braided cable design. It's perfect if you want to monitor audio coming directly from your mic too, allowing you to have the comfort of knowing that you're not peaking or having any other audio issues. Number 2 on the list is the BRDRC Sunscreen Hood Shade Cover. So this little apparatus blocks glare on your screen for improved visibility. It's incredibly compact and lightweight with a foldable design. It enhances screen visibility on bright conditions when you're outdoors on a sunny day. The only downside I see with this product is that you can't tilt the screen in vertical mode while it's connected. Number 3 on the list is the Lekufee waterproof hard case. It offers excellent protection, which is rated at IP67 water resistance. It has an impact resistant outer shell with plenty of internal padding. The case can hold a significant amount of Osmo Pocket 3 accessories, including multiple batteries, handles, lenses, filters, memory cards, and even a tripod. Despite its large storage capacity, it remains relatively compact and lightweight at just 2.4 pounds, making it easy to carry in a backpack or a handbag. So is it worth it? That depends on how much protection you need and how much you're willing to spend. For me, I like having the peace of mind of knowing that all my accessories are in one place, especially all the tiny ones that come with the Osmo Pocket 3. If you're an outdoor enthusiast or someone that travels for work, this case will definitely keep your gear safe. But if you just need something basic, you might want to explore other options like the case that comes standard with the creator combo, which also gets the job done. And next up at number 4 on the list is the BRDRC base support. This product isn't a necessity in my opinion, but it's more so a nice to have. It's extremely tiny in case you need a tripod in a pinch or are just extracting files directly from your Osmo Pocket 3 while leaving it in a docked position. I like it because I can leave it on my desk near a charger, allowing for easy access. Its lightweight and small design make it easy to carry in your pocket or a bag, perfect for on-the-go content creation. It also has anti-slip rubberized pads at the bottom, which enhance the friction, preventing accidental slips or movements that could ruin your shot. Number 5 on the list is the NEEWER magnetic ND and CPL filter kit. If you want to dial in your exposure but don't want to change any of your shutter speeds to compensate for your video quality, you'll definitely need to pick up a set of ND filters. ND filters reduce the amount of light reaching your sensor, allowing for slower shutter speeds, smoother video, and better exposure control in bright outdoor conditions. So you won't end up with an overexposed video and end up with something a little more cinematic. These ones from NEEWER are pretty affordable and come in a nice case that allows you to magnetically snap them into place for easy storage. Another great thing about this filter set is that they have very strong magnets and won't slip off even if you have a glass lens protector at the front of your Osmo Pocket. Coming in at number 6 on the list is the Sunnylife Multifunctional Magnetic Bracket Mount. This is quite possibly my favorite accessory on the Osmo Pocket 3. It features an incredibly strong magnetic base. The built-in magnets securely hold your Osmo Pocket on any metal surface, like cars, railings, or refrigerators. This allows you to get shots in angles you probably wouldn't have ever thought of. It adds little bulk to your overall setup and allows you to use your Osmo Pocket 3 in unison with other accessories without limiting its capabilities. My only gripe is that it's pretty difficult to take off once you place it on the Osmo Pocket, so plan to keep it on for a while once it's installed. Number 7 on the list is the FPVtosky lens and LCD screen protector. Not much to say about this product other than it works as intended. You don't lose any of the touch functionality on the screen, and you get that added peace of mind of knowing that your lens and screen are protected from any scratches. You do get a 2-pack in case you mess up installation on the first attempt or you need a fresh set after some wear and tear. Finally, rounding out the list at number 8 is the Sunnylife Pocket 3 protective case cover. You might ask yourself, doesn't the Osmo Pocket 3 already come with a protective case? And you'd be 100% correct. But being the OCD person that I am, I noticed a few potential flaws in areas of concern with the original case. For one, there's a side of the gimbal that's completely exposed, so if you were to stuff it into your pocket or a bag for instance, you definitely risk the chance of the gimbal slipping out and damaging the motors in the arms. So I thought to myself, there has to be a better option out there, which to my surprise there were a ton. But I think you get a good balance of protection and form-fitting comfort with the Sunnylife case. For example, you get the ability to use this simultaneously with the Sunnylife magnetic bracket, so you don't have to take one off to put the other on. It'll also offer 360 degrees of coverage to your gimbal, and you get that added added comfort of knowing the screen is also protected in case of a drop. However, this case is by no means perfect. One of the downsides of this case is that you have a little rattle, which I was able to fix by adding some foam inserts to various contact points. The other area of improvement this case could have had was the build quality, which feels a little bit plasticky at times, so you don't want to be too rough with it. I've included links in the bio in case you want to check out any of the items for yourself. And as usual, that's it for today's video on my top 8 accessories for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more reviews. Let me know in the comments down below what you think I should review next, and what other accessories you might recommend for the Osmo Pocket 3. And until next time, peace.